What's up, guys? So today I got a special delivery from Powersportsmax out in El Monte, California. I purchased a scooter from their website. Literally just came like 10 minutes ago on this wooden crate. It says it comes partially assembled, so we'll see. All right, so here it is in the crate that it came in, unboxed. Not fully yet though, so stay tuned. Finally got it all put together after like 2 days. Had to run back and forth to True Valley because of missing screws and whatnot. Got the bend down here. I had to request it right after receiving the scooter, so overall we'll give Powersportsmax a 2 out of 5. Well, I'm still waiting for my paperwork in the mail though, so I'll leave you guys updated in the comments. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Alright, thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for the next video.